Today we will deal with clock problem. In clock, what is important is the total angle is 360. So 1 minute and was 12 degrees. Minute hand in 1 hour 360 degrees covers. So in 1 minute it covers 6 degrees. Whereas hour hand in 1 hour it covers only 30 degrees. Covers only 30 degrees. 1 by 12. So 2 minutes it covers 1 degree. So remember this, minute hand in 1 minute it covers 6 degrees, whereas hour hand in 2 minutes 1 degree. And one more thing that we should always remember is when both the hands are moving, in 1 hour minute hand covers 60 degrees, whereas our hand covers 60 minutes. Let us say at 12 o'clock, both the hands are here. At 1 o'clock, comes back to 12, this is at 1. So the minute hand makes a gain of 55 minutes or 330 degrees it is ahead in each 1 hour. In 1 hour, minute hand covers 60 minutes, whereas hour hand covers only 1/12 of the distance. So there is a gain of 55 minutes or 330 degrees. So these three things we should always remember. Minute hand 1 minute 6 degrees, hour hand 2 minutes 1 degree, and every 1 hour minute hand makes a gain of 55 minutes. Once we know this, we can solve all the problems with ease. The reflex angle between the hands of a clock at 10:25 is. This is 10. This is 25. Now what is the angle? Now this is 12. Between 12 and 5, the angle is 13 to 5, 150 degrees. Between each point, that is between 12 and 1, 1 and 2, 2 and 3, it is 30 degrees because 360 by 12, 30 degrees. So between 12 and 5, it is 13 to 5, 150. Now we have to find out between this 10 and 12. But it is not at 10. Our hand has moved. How much it has moved? Now we have seen in 60 minutes it moves 30 degrees. Now here it is only 25 minutes. How much it has moved? 25 into 30 is 60 or 12 and a half minutes. It has moved 12 and a half minutes. So 30 minus 12 and a half. Between 11 and 12 is 30. Between 10 and 11, 30 minus 12 and a half. That is 180, 197. Let us try to understand once again. At 10:25, the minute hand is at 5 and the hour hand is just crossed 10. It is between 10 and 11. Now the angle between 12 and 5 is 150 because 5 into 30. Between 11 and 12, 30. Now between 10 and 11, it is not at 10, it has moved. How much it has moved? When it is 60 minutes, it covers 30 degrees. Now it is 25 minutes. How much degree it has covered? 25 into 30 by 60 is 12 and a half degrees. So it has gone 12 and a half degrees around. So the total angle is 150. Between 11 and 12, 30. Between 10 and 11 is 30 minus 12 and a half. That is 197. A watch gains 5 seconds in 3 minutes. Every 3 minutes it gains 5 seconds. Was set right at 7 a.m. In the afternoon, same day, when the watch indicated 4:15, what is the true time? It was set at 7 a.m. Now it is showing 4:15 p.m. What is the correct time? Every 3 minutes, 5 seconds goes ahead. So in 1 hour, there are 23 minutes. So in 1 hour, 5 into 20 seconds. That is 100 seconds it goes ahead. So instead of 1 hour, correct 1 hour, this watch will show 1 hour plus 100 seconds. Or 1 hour plus 100 by 3600 hours. That is 1 by 36 hours. So it is showing when the actual time is 1 hour, it is showing 1 hour and 1 by 36 hours. Now it was set at 7 a.m. Now it is showing 4:15. 7 to 4:15 is 9 hours and 15 minutes or 9:144. So when it is actually 1 hour, this clock is showing 1 by 36 hours. But now it is showing 9:1/4 hour. How much is that? 1 into 9:1/4 by 1:136. That is 1 into from 9 hour from 7 a.m. is 4 p.m. So the correct time is 4 p.m. Once again, let us try to understand. This clock is watch is every 3 minutes it gains 5 seconds. That means it's going ahead. So in 1 hour, 5 into 3 into 20 is 60 minutes. So 5 into 20 seconds it will go ahead. It is 100 seconds. 100 second is 100 by 3600 hour. That is 1 by 36 hour. It is ahead. Actual 1 hour. This will show, watch will show 1 hour plus 1 by 36 hour. Now at 7 a.m. it was set right. Now it is showing 4:15 p.m. It is 9 1/4 hour. 1 hour it is this much. 9 1/4 hour. How much? It's 9 hours. 7 to 9 is 4 p.m. At what time between 5:30 and 6 hands of clock be at right angles? 5:30 and 6. It is somewhere after 5:40. So the clock is this hour hand will be between 5 and 6. So minute hand should be between 80. I told you when the hour hand is moving 60 minutes, hour hand is only moving 5 minutes distance. So there is a gain of 55 minutes. So in every 60 minutes, minute hand gains 55 minutes. Right? Now we want actual 40 minutes gain, because at 5:40 if there is a stationary, at 5:40 it will be right angles, but it will not be because our hand also moves. So 60 into 40 divided by 50. So it is 5 past 43 minutes 7 by 1. Once again, when minute hands cover 60 minutes distance, the hour hand only covers 5 minutes distance. So there is a gain of every 60 minutes, hour hand gains a distance of 55 minutes. Now, if the hour hand would have been stationary at 5:40, it would have been 90 degrees, but it is also moving. So we want actual gain of 40 minutes. So 60 minutes, 55 minutes gain, but we want actual 40. How much distance should we cover? It is 43 7 by 11 after 5. Angle between the minute hand and the hour hand of a clock when the time is 4:20. The angle at 4:20. The minute hand will be at 4, whereas hour hand has moved from 4, it is between 4 and 5. How much it has moved? Now we have said hour hand every 2 minutes 1 degree it covers. So 20 minutes it covers 10 degrees. So the difference is only 10. Because this is at 4, this is between 4 and 5. How much distance does cover? 2 minutes 1 degree, hour hand, 20 minutes 10 degrees. So the difference is 10 degrees. At what angle the hands of a clock are inclined at 15 minutes past 5? This is 3, this is 4. Now our hand has moved little ahead of 5, whereas minute hand is at 3. What is the angle? Between 3 and 5, 30 plus 30. Because 3 and 4, 30, 4 and 5, 30. But our hand has moved little. How much it has moved? It is, we have said, every 2 minutes, 1 degree. Now 15 minutes, how much? 15 by 2 or 7 and a half. Plus 7 and a half. So 67 and a half is the angle. So if you remember that minute hand covers 360 degrees 1 hour, while hour hand covers only 30 degrees, and minute hand gains 55 minutes in a matter of 60 minutes. These three principles once we remember, we will be able to solve all the